always fun to walk around that campus, for lack of better words. It's just beautiful, you know.
Some good restaurants in there too.
Yeah.
We ought to go sometime as a team, right? Yeah. I'll tell you guys, the temperature readings are just so warm. Now, as you step outside, you're saying, okay, it's cloudy, there's a little bit of a breeze. It feels really mild out there, or in some areas, if you're in the wind, it feels a little chilly. But take a look at the numbers that we had so far today.
Wow.
Look at that, 49 degrees officially so far in Boise. Now that is 10 degrees above the average, and now we're starting to push close to near record levels. Why was it so warm today? And it was 40 degrees for the low last night. It should have been 26. Why so warm? The south breeze blowing ahead of this front drove our temperatures up just a little bit. So here comes the front now. It looks very impressive on the Doppler radar, but as this front approaches, it is expected to get a little weaker. Regardless, there's still the possibility of a little rain-snow mix, probably between, let's say, 1 o'clock and about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Here's how the computer models play everything out as far as this approaching front is concerned. So this is right around 1 o'clock in the morning. It's wanting to generate some snow here across Malheur County, and as it crosses over into the Treasure Valley, it has the potential of generating a little rain-snow mix late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now here's the model at 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning, and already the front shows that it's moving well to the east of us, but it could be affecting the I-84 corridor, and hoping that the mountains will pick up at least 2, maybe 3 inches of snow out of this front as it moves on through pre-dawn hours. And then by the late afternoon, a scattering of snow showers still expected for the mountains. And I imagine this is probably going to equate to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow afternoon. So again, not a big wave of moisture, just a fast-moving, fairly weak cold front. And as it moves through, please be ready for the possibility of a little rain-snow mix bright and early in the morning. Here's our satellite imagery. And there you can see there's a lot of clouds. So what we're lacking right now is real definition or dynamics in the atmosphere that would help to make this front stronger as it approaches. But the storms just have not been doing that. They kind of weaken as they move inland, but this one is going to be moving inland again tonight and early tomorrow morning. And with that, we could see that little rain-snow mix right across the I-84 corridor, heading all the way down here into the Wasatch Front of northern Utah. In the meantime, our local mountains, especially the west central mountains, will benefit the most out of this front late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Bogus Basin will probably pick up about an inch or so of snow as the system moves on through, but we have additional storms on the horizon here for the Treasure Valley in the days to come. So here is the 7-day forecast for the valley itself. Let's go with the best potential of a little wintry mix bright and early in the morning. Otherwise, look for a mixture of sunshine and clouds tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures a touch cooler, about 44 degrees for the high tomorrow. There may be little hit and miss showers on Friday, but I think Friday will be a pretty decent day. And then on Saturday, there's something bigger that comes in, a little more substantial moisture associated with it. So I'm thinking a rain-snow mix is expected on again, off again on Saturday. Mostly cloudy on Sunday, mostly cloudy on Monday, with something else that the models are trying to push into the state by Tuesday. And beyond that, we'll have to wait and see what happens. But temperature readings, not colder than average. We're going to keep those temperatures right around average or slightly above average. Now, the mountains will pick up some snow tonight and early tomorrow morning. Maybe a little sprinkles of snow here and there on Friday. A better chance on Saturday. Cloudy skies on Sunday with something else that could generate little pockets of snow on Monday and Tuesday. Not big storms, just occasional surges of moisture moving in.
Good. We'll take it, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Take anything we can get
And
at this
no
point.
inversion. Have you noticed? No inversion.
That's the good news.
Yeah.
Okay.